To connect Paper to the Crypto.com app, start by opening the app and navigating to the relevant option. From there, select a cryptocurrency to purchase. The specific cryptocurrency does not matter, as the goal is to access the payment method options. Click on Add Payment Method, and, if eligible, the Paper option will be available. Select it and enter the required online credentials, including email ID and password, to log in. Next, choose the bank account to use for transactions or opt to use the Paper balance by toggling the first option. Once the Paper account is linked, enter the desired purchase amount and select Paper as the payment method. Note that a 1.99% fee applies to each transaction made with Paper. After acknowledging this fee, click the checkbox and continue with the transaction. The process is now complete, and the transaction can be finalized using Paper.